Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Porsche Cayenne battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm socket wrench, a 13mm socket wrench, and a battery terminal cleaner. You'll also want a wire brush to clean any corrosion. Make sure your new battery is charged and matches the correct specifications for your vehicle. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now let's get to disconnecting the old battery. The battery is conveniently located under the driver's seat. You'll need to remove the protective cover to access it. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the negative terminal first using your 10mm socket wrench. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, loosen the 13mm hold-down clamp that secures the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. These batteries can be quite heavy, so lift carefully and place the new battery securely into its tray. Once it's in position, tighten the 13mm hold-down clamp to ensure it's firmly secured. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are tight and free of any corrosion for optimal performance. You're almost done. Replace the protective cover over the battery and double-check that all your tools are put away safely. Now, start your vehicle to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly and that all systems are operational. This is a great time to reset any electronics that might have lost power. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.